Possibly the most important element in the Polish contribution was that while there were fine Canadian and South African and other fighter pilots from the British dominions, and while there were some fine Czech pilots flying over Britain and Free French, but they were just pilots, whereas the Polish squadrons had their own ground crew. Poles had some of the best ground crews in the RAF because they had not only evacuated some of the best of their own ground crews, but they also had at their disposal the ground crews of the Polish commercial airline LOT, and also a number of engineers who'd worked in Polish aircraft factories. So they actually made some improvements to the planes they were given, and they used to keep them in extraordinarily good shape, which saved many a life. The input of the Poles was not just the number of pilots, it was the ground crews as well, which meant that they could operate at optimum level and more frequently.